We have more images of the iPhone 11's case molds, and this time they include the iPhone 11R. Honor is apparently gearing up for launching up to 3 smartphones on its May 21st event, and iOS 12.3 is out and it brings a lot of reasons why you should definitely upgrade. I'm Jaime Rivera, and well, the weather in New York is less bipolar today, meaning now it's only raining and it's only cold. In May. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begin with a reminder. Tomorrow is the launch event for the OnePlus 7 Pro. We're all going to be there at Pier 94, Brandon, Diego, and I. So if you guys want to meet, please say hi. And if you're not there, then don't forget to follow the live stream. It's actually the first link in the description. It's really going to be awesome. Let's see what the OnePlus 7 Pro is all about. Now, let's talk about deals. I now understand why we see so many deals every single day on Amazon for Apple products. I had not noticed that they had now become an official Apple retailer. So that means that we get deals all the time. Now we've got $200 off the 11-inch and the 12.9-inch iPad Pros, the new ones that are crazy expensive. I love my iPad Pro 11-inch, so you can learn more about that in the description as well. Now let's talk about iOS 12.3 since we're talking about Apple. It just launched and you actually do want to upgrade your phones. The main reason why is because AirPlay support now comes to third-party products that are not necessarily just the Apple TV. So I was in the market to buy an Apple TV, now I'm not. Samsung Smart TVs are now supporting it. Obviously there are going to be more in the lineup. Clearly Apple is becoming more of a services company. They're not worried about their old hobby from like 10 years ago, which was the Apple TV. Now let's move the spotlight over to Honor. We've got an event happening in London on May 21st. I'm actually going to be at the event, and well, we hear that we're getting up to 3 phones. We only expected the Honor 20, which is literally the only thing that the company has ever launched, Honor 10, Honor 9, etc. Now it seems that no, it's going to be the Honor 20. Apparently there's going to be a Pro variant, according to rumors, and there's also going to be a Lite variant, but the interesting part is that I understand that the Lite's actually already in the market, depending on the country you're in. So yeah, probably that's just going to be the official unveiling in Europe. Whatever the case may be, stay tuned. And finally, the, should I call them hottest news, weirdest news, are definitely going to be about iPhones. And, well, we've got more case molds now coming from Mark Gurman. We've seen the triple cameras. Now we've got a case mold, not just a case design for the iPhone 11R that also has that horrible camera hump, but only 2 cameras. I honestly don't understand what the point is in launching a less expensive phone or with a horrible camera hump that's not really serving a purpose. Whatever the case may be, let us know in the comments. What do you think? I mean, do you think that it's smarter for Apple to launch one design across the board? Or do you think that this iPhone 11R should just have the same camera design that we currently see in the iPhone XS, or it's just the vertical design and that's it, no need for the stove? Whatever the case may be, I like the current iPhone iPhone XS design, so long as they fix the camera hump. But that's just me. Leave us a comment down below. We'd love to know your opinion. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to both our channels, English and Spanish, for more videos like this one. You can follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.